right, good morning, everybody. Welcome on this a lovely Wednesday. Good to see you all, Brad, Grant, good everyone. Good to see you all, everybody on social media. We've got a great morning so far, huh? The TPST. Damn, a lot of you guys did hit that one pretty well. I'm glad everyone was here logged in early. What a nice move at 8 o'clock, right? We saw the stock earlier. It was around 80 cents. Then it got right around 8 o'clock in the morning when the second wave of program trading kicked in, around $1.20. Got Fausto flag, HOD, high of the day. And then just now, just literally before we got started, right around, what is this, about 10 minutes ago, stock shrank from $1.30 all the way to 220. I mean, now that is cold luck. Okay, that's cold luck. But listen, there are some of you here on social media be like, wait a minute, how did you guys, I can't get into it. That's why you have to be part of the trading room. And I'll put that QR code up there right now so you guys could join that few. For everyone on social media, just like us and friend us. Take your phone, scan that little QR code, or just click on the registration page on the right. We'll get you in. But for everyone else here that was logged in, you guys did great. Awesome. And you know what? I don't know about you, but she still looks strong. She still looks strong. Looking over here on level 4, look at all these orders. When these orders got pulled, boom, that thing just took off. I'm not seeing anybody out there. But right here, this was the key number right here. And I'm gonna give everybody a little tip of the day on social media. Everyone here knows this. When this guy showed up right around this time, you see that right there, that big red line? That is 540,000 shares. When he showed up and this thing was at $1.40, that's when it ran. And everybody that was here in the Cyber Group room should have known that. You all should have known that, and you all should have jumped in. And I know a lot of you did. And if you didn't get it, don't worry about it. There's plenty out there. But we're going to talk a little bit about that and a couple of more. But before we continue and start going through the watch list, let's talk about a couple of things that are going on. Today, I will be live on Metastock. So we'll post that link up there. And also, I will be live tomorrow on the Wealth 365. We'll post the link up there. If you have not registered yet, please, here's the link right there. Let me just post it up there for all of you. On social media, you just click on it. Everybody in the trading room, we'll get you that link too. Just copy and paste it. I think everyone already registered, but why can't I not do it? All right. But you should be able to get the link up there. We'll get Rich to post it up for you. But everyone, just please register. And they got a lot of great prizes they're giving away, and be awesome. But let's talk about some of the stocks that we traded yesterday. I was going back and forth with Rich, with Josh yesterday, and I'm like, I wasn't really completely sold yesterday, but there were a couple of good stocks. And you know what? He was right. We did do pretty decent yesterday, especially with that IONQ. This stock had a really nice move. You could see here at 9:30, it was right around 1470, shot up right up into here to about 1560, and went all the way up to about 1130. Hold on a second, just close this out. All the way up to about 1660. What a really nice looking move right there. You talk about a $2 move right there, 1,000 shares, $2, $2, $2,000, $500,000 a year. I think everybody would be happy with that. Even if you got about 10% move, that one moved up pretty well. Another stock that had a good pop. This stock's been good for the last couple of days, but this one right at the gate, boom, 280 straight up to about 330. This one wasn't in the pre-market list, but it did show up after, and it's just been on a good move for the last couple of days. You can see here, it's been really moving up pretty nicely since when October started, $1.50 to 330. Nice move right there. A couple other ones. Open was another nice little mover. A little slow. That was the issue with this one right here. 240 all the way up to about 280. Everybody, I want you to look at the time. It's like, even like every single time, look at every single one of them. Even this one. Right there, the mouse pad, everybody. Hopefully everyone has it. Timing during the day saves you thousands, all right? So actually, you know what? We're going to be selling it on Amazon. I'm on a process of getting on Amazon, so everyone should have one. I think everyone should have one of these mouse pads. It'll save you thousands. We'll let you know when we have it out there, or you can buy it directly through us. Anyway, a couple other stocks. PLTR was also pretty good. The chart doesn't look as good. The problem with PLTR is it's got nasty shakes. You got to be careful of that. The Tupper lady. It's funny. Josh didn't know what the Tupper lady was. You didn't know, but if it's okay. Listen, you know what? He had to go home and ask his mom and ask him, you ever heard about the Tupper parties? And it was funny. Every time I keep talking about it, he's like, he didn't understand why I was talking about the Tupper lady, but the Tupper thing, it had a good move regardless what it was. And it was great back in July. It ran from 70 cents to about $6. Definitely was a short squeeze, but it moved up again. It's going back on the watch list, TUP. So that one will like it. Weight Watchers, I don't know what's going on. Weight Watchers, WW. This thing had a really, really good push yesterday. It's been on a big move for the last couple of days. It was right around $9, already almost at 13.70 almost. Do we trade it going into today? I don't know, but if it holds here pretty strong, it might be. I'm going to put this on the B list. So I'm going to put that one on there. BLNK. So all the charging point stocks were doing pretty well. BLNK did pretty well, and Plug did pretty well too. I'm a little fan of Plug, a little bit better. Plug did great yesterday, and Plug is going back on the watch list again. PLUG. Look at that good move yesterday. Gorgeous move. Gorgeous pop right around here, around 9:30. Went all the way to, what do you know, 10:30 again. Timing during the day. And then it kind of like flatlined, but it really moved pretty hot, pretty big today. So really nice move on that stock. All right, so we got Plug right there. Tupper, you could see, is right now in the big percentage gainer. And then AI moved up really nice too yesterday. You could see it right there from 24. Oh, what do you know? 11 o'clock, same time, right? AI did move up pretty nicely. I don't know if AI is going to probably be a swing trade yet, but we could put it on the watch list. All right, let's go through our big watch list right now. So we have the TPSP, the TPST. That one's doing awesome. Whaler, you know what? I was looking at this stock right here, and this is the problem with it. It started going down. Look at the orders right here. You see the orders? This guy got done right here at $1.70. And how much was that? Not a lot, about almost 10,000. You see how he got filled? When he got filled, if you're not following the money, you're basically trading blind. Okay. Follow the damn orders. I'm actually thinking about doing a workshop on how to trade Tesla. Because I think Tesla has probably, because some people are like, I never heard of these stocks. So, somebody wants to deal with the branding, no problem. I think I'm going to do a workshop. I'm going to talk to Josh about this, but Tesla, we did great, even on site, just seeing those big iceberg orders out there. But this stock right here, Whaler, you can see that order got filled. Boom, the stock tanked, and now all of a sudden this order starts showing up. So I'm a little skeptical on it. I will put it on the B list. Maybe I'll put it on the C list. WHLR. Put that on it, and it's the second biggest. Vino, another stock right here that's moving up. Once again, another order showed up right around here. I can see it right there. I'll be bringing it up across so everybody can see it. See them right there. That order showed up at $1.30, and you could see it hit there around right before 7:30. Did it again after around 8:10. Came back down. It is up 37%. It does got 4 million shares, and we're already talking at number 3. Okay, this one is garbage. This one is garbage. I don't know if there's going to be a gap fill, but not really moving too much right now. Plug, we already know about Plug. Plug's already on there. If Plug's on there, let's throw on the BLNK because they're like in the same industry. Anything else out here? 12%, 7%. FCell, I think might have a little. FCell might move. Very, very slow. If you're a beginner trader, level 1 trader, this is right up your alley. Probably is going to trade side by side with Plug and BLNK. All right, we're done there. Nothing there. Losers. What's going on here? This one's taking a big hit. Obviously, it's earnings. That one took a big hit. Nothing going on over here. Nothing going on over here. So no really big good losers showing up. We already know about TUP. We're going to put that one on our watches. HMY. The stock is, a mining gold stock. It's been moving up pretty well, but it looks a little skeptical, a little speculative to trade it. AU, GS, these are all the big winners. B looks pretty interesting. Spread looks pretty ugly, though. Kava's moving. Kava's finally going to come back. What's going on? 5%, up $1.62. Kava had a lot of support here at 30, looks like. Be careful. That stock is more of a swing trade, not more of a day trade. It is a new IPO. Losers. What we got going on over here? A couple of big stocks that are moving. Nuvo is moving up pretty well, too. So I own that on a swing trade. Nuvo's doing really well. NVO. Really need to see if it gets past this 100. If it gets past 100, it's an all-time high. So we're almost there. Boyle, we did great with Boyle. Boyle's coming down a little bit. I slowed him down a swing trade. We're doing great on Boyle. I mean, that thing was down at the 50s, built some support levels. It's taking a little bit of a hit right now. Boyle is very, very speculative. Be very careful of Boyle. A little bit more in the swing trade. Anything else out there? I know we did pretty good with Mara and Riot yesterday. They also had some good moves yesterday, but I think that pretty much does it. All right. Anything else that's out there that I missed? Any other stocks? Slick got downgraded. Neil. SILK. Let me just look at it again. Is that what it was? Well, it looks more like an earnings, when it came out right after the close, and then probably usually when that happens, then everyone just wants to jump on the bandwagon and downgrade it. So that just puts fuel on the fire. All right, so we got a pretty decent list this morning, a lot better than yesterday. But okay, so let me go over a couple of things. Remind everybody, I'm good. 12 o'clock going to be on Metastock. So if you haven't registered, we'll put that link. Tomorrow I'm going to be on Wealth 365. Definitely register for that. It's a week. It's going on all week this week. It's one of the biggest expos online. A lot of the top gurus are going to be there. A lot of big prizes. So just feel free to register for that. And then but before we go let's go out there and trade in the morning. So let's do that and get ready. One last thing before we go. I have to make an announcement for Grant Brockway. Today is Grant's birthday. He is 85 years old. Let's give Grant a happy birthday, Grant. Always been one of our loyal students. He's here every morning. It's just so great to see him here every morning. It gets him up in the morning. He's trading, and he's been with us for almost 10 years, and it's just happy to see you, Grant. Happy birthday. Happy 85th birthday, Grant. That's good to see you. All right, everybody. So we'll be back here, and the market opens up in 15 minutes. If you're watching on social media, we'll be back here at 2:30. So, and then we'll go live all day tomorrow. So if you want to stick around, come back tomorrow, we'll be there. Oops, I don't know what that's all about. All right. So we'll see you guys all then. All right. Happy trading, everybody. And we'll see you when the market opens up. Trade safe.